Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about some interesting facts about the English language. Now, as all of us know, English language is the widely recognized, acknowledged as the global language of the world. Now, there are certain fun-filled facts about the English language. Let us have a look at it. Go is the shortest grammatically correct sentence in the English language. And the most common and frequently used words in English are I and you. And almost 11% of the entire words which are present in the English language has the letter E to it. The most commonly used adjective in English language is good. Now, if you look at the words like orange, silver, purple, they do not have any rhyming words for them. And another important thing is English is considered to be the language of the air because a pilot is required to hold his communication in English language when he or she is flying, irrespective of their origin. Another interesting fact is the word girl was initially a gender neutral word. Initially it used to be referred to a young child, but later on it evolved in such a manner that it became gender specific. It started to be referring to a particular female. And also, English is the language, as you all know, which is widely acknowledged, widely recognized, and these are some of the reasons why it is widely acknowledged and recognized as the global language of the world. I hope that you enjoyed this session, and also it was in some or the other way useful and informative. Thank you.